Let's take a look at the question of which number is bigger. Let's do some analysis first. One side is 2 to the 61st power and the other side is 3 to the 41st power. It represents the multiplication of 61 consecutive 2's and the multiplication of 41 consecutive 3's. The question is which side is larger. Here, it is obviously impossible to see the final result directly. So how should we solve this kind of exponentials? There are generally two ways of thinking. One way of thinking, for example, we turn it into the same base. For example, 2 to the 15th power must be larger than the 2 to the 14th power. This is an idea. The second way of thinking, we make the exponentials into the same. For example, 2 to the 15th power must be less than 3 to the 15th power. Because they are all multiplied in 15 times, the bigger the base is the bigger. So, these are the two common ways of thinking. And this question is neither of these two cases. How to do it? Hey, you can make the question into these two thinkings. Then let's take a look at how to convert and analyze the speciality of the two sides. Look at the 2 to the 61st power and 3 to the 41st power. Both have an extra power of 1. So, let's separate the power 1 first. It is equivalent to a 2 multiplied by 2 to 60th power. On the right-hand side is 3 multiplied by 3 to 40th power. At this time, we find that the exponentials are 60 and 40. So next, we can take out 20, because the greatest common factor of the 2's is 20. So we have 2 times 2 to the 3rd to the 20th power, and 3 times 3 squared to the 20th power. So in this way, we will make the exponent the same. Therefore, the left side becomes 2 times 8 to the 20th power, and the right side becomes 3 times 9 to the 20th power. At this time, we can find that 2 is smaller than 3, and the 20th power of 8 is smaller than the 20th power of 9. So, both factors are small. Hence, the left side must be smaller. The solution now is easy. We only need to reverse the analysis steps. The left sides of the two inequalities are equal, so are the right sides. Therefore, the second inequality is valid. With the same reasons, we have the inequality. Therefore, 3 to the 41st is bigger number. So the problem has been solved.